Morning guys, we are all ready for a fun-filled day at Animal Kingdom. Today is my birthday, so we will be celebrating that. Later on we've got dinner at Boma, so we'll spend the day at Animal Kingdom, then head across to Animal Kingdom Lodge for dinner. We're all matchy today. At the minute it's a bit chilly out, so the kids have got their fleeces on. But we are matching. Oh, Freddie wants to show you his matchy t-shirt, his shirt, and Mummy and Thea are matching.
Did they say?
There we go. So yeah, Thea and Mummy actually wore those tops 3 years ago. 3 years ago when we were last here at Animal Kingdom and had a picture taken with them. We managed to get the same top for Thea in this year's size, so they'll be recreating that photo at the Tree of Life. So yeah, let's get on a bus and go to Animal Kingdom.
Let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Warning, meteor shower in...
Computer, no!
Carnotaurus.
That's it! Abort mission! Abort! Abort!
Iguanodon.
Forget it! Get them out now!
Asteroid impact.
Brace yourself! This is it! You're not gonna make it! They're not gonna make it!
Yeah. So we just had a stuffed pancake sandwich for breakfast. A sausage, guava paste, egg and cheese. Buddy, what did you think?
I think it's good. What did you think? Number one.
You want another one? Well, we're not getting another one. We'll try something else.
Another day.
And to our left-hand side is a black rhino. Black rhinos are the smaller of the African rhinos, only weighing about 3,000 pounds. Naturally, they're called the pink-backed pelicans. Although they don't look too pink now, the skin and feathers in the back live in nest colonies of up to 500 birds. They're very powerful bite and are very territorial. Oftentimes they'll be seen opening their mouth nice and wide as a way of saying, hey, back off, I'll bite. And bite they might, however, they are strictly herbivores, meaning they only eat plants and vegetation. African painted dog. Although coloring-wise, they do look kind of similar to hyenas, actually relatives of the wolf. My friends in the back, make sure to stay fully seated back there for me, please. Once again, make sure my back row is fully sitting down. In the world, should go up maybe 20 feet in height. Their extreme height, matched with their 18-inch long tongue, makes it really easy for them to eat that high vegetation. That's the giraffe, just about 8 months old. When these babies are born, they're about 6 feet tall, which for reference, the sides of the truck, which you can rest your arms on, is about 6 feet off the ground. These are going to be African elephants, the largest land mammal in the world, up to 13,000 pounds. In elephant terms, these two are actually kind of small, and they're very close to one another, meaning we're looking at a spot. However, to our left is a crash of some some white rhinos. White rhinos are the larger of the African rhinos, weighing up to about 6,000 pounds. Just about double that of the black rhino counterpart. Over to our left-hand side is, of course, a lion. Lions absolutely can roar, with their roars being heard over 6 miles away. During the day, they have very similar vision to us humans, but at night, their night vision is 6 times greater.
Hi guys, so we're now in Pandora. We've done Kilimanjaro Safari this morning. Saw lots of animals, saw the big ones, cheetahs, lions, elephants, giraffes. Now we're in Pandora. Buddy, did you like the safari?
Yeah.
What animals did you see?
I saw Mummy the warthog.
You saw Mummy the warthog.
Yeah. I saw gorillas, lions, cheetahs, ostriches. Yeah. I saw hippos, crocodiles. Yeah, we saw a lot.
Cool. Thea, did you like the safari?
What animals did you see?
Yeah, we're just doing the fun at the minute, trying to keep warm. It is warmer today. Just waiting for our bus for flight of passage. We're hoping to go to Ponga Ponga, but it's not open till 10 o'clock. So when that opens, we're getting a lupia and a night blossom.
A few moments later.
So I can see you get one. Suck a bit more and there's one just in there. I can see it.
Do you like the night blossom?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Got it?
Oh, I
Did you get one?
Yeah, I saw two.
Two? There's another one in there ready to suck out.
Nice, Mummy?
Lovely.
Pause up, and on the count of 3, let's hear some lions. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Now that's a lion. Time for the...
And we welcome you to the Festival of the Lion King. Let the procession begin. What are you doing? Calm down. Hi, everybody. Hey, Boma, Timon. Look, everyone, it's the Lion King. Welcome, Simba. You're right on time.
long-necked dinosaur. Can you guys go like this? Reach your hands up high. It's a long-necked dinosaur. It had holes in its head so that its head could be light, like air. If it had a heavy head, what would it look like? It wouldn't be able to pick it up. So its body had to be super special. But we know of another animal that has a really long neck. What is that? A bronchiosaurus, that's its cousin, right? What about an animal we have today in Animal Kingdom that's really tall?
A giraffe.
A giraffe. So if we know our giraffe friends eat off those tall green plants, what are those called?
Grass.
Grass and trees, right? If we know giraffes eat grass and trees, we know that T-Rex, right? T-Rex, actually, they've been finding out new
Come on, put it down.
about them. You know how they're considered to be like the big
Buddy, put it down.
hunters? They think that they actually might have been scavengers, like vultures. Who's your favorite? Oh my goodness! The Brontosaurus is so cool. Because they swim in the water, right?
Try and guess my favorite.
What do you think? Is it Baryonyx?
No.
No. Is it a Stegosaurus?
No. It has armor to protect itself.
Has armor too. Is it a Spinosaurus?
No.
Oh my goodness! I don't know how many I know. What does it start with? And
Has it got a big club on its tail?
can I check my guide and see if that helps me?
Yeah.
Let me check my guide. You might know more dinosaurs than me.
Right?
Run away from him, right?
Yeah, the carnivores that eat me, so I'm trying.
Well, he might not necessarily eat you, because tigers don't, and other animals don't go out of their way to eat us.
Yeah, I mean, they are just cats.
They are just cats.
Yeah.
Well, but
There it goes.
but that tiger was trying to tell another tiger to get out of his room, to get out of his space. Yeah, so animals make sounds to talk to each other. Now, would it help the tigers talk to each other if they could see each other?
That they see each other.
But that would require us to cut down a lot of trees. So would that actually help them out?
I mean, it'll help them out with the sight. So
Right.
they see, they're like prey.
But they wouldn't have a. But their prey could then see them, right?
Right.
See. You don't like chocolate?
Oh, yes, you do.
No, I don't.
You do. Well, we don't want to go without chocolate, do we? Especially during this cold month where we want hot chocolate. Well, something I want you guys to do to make sure we got plenty of chocolate, plenty of trees, is by recycling that old paper. Okay? Does that sound good? Yeah. Awesome. Well, there you go.
There's Kevin there. So we're now leaving Animal Kingdom. Gonna head to Animal Kingdom Lodge for some dinner. Yeah. We'll go Animal Kingdom lunch. Animal Kingdom Lodge to have dinner at Boma. Yeah? Go Boma for dinner. Come on then. So guys, we're now at Animal Kingdom Lodge. Come for dinner. Not sure where we got to last time, but we had lunch at Satuli Cantina. It was absolutely packed in there, but you can understand why, because probably the best quick service on property. We then, what did we do after lunch? Faye, what did we do after lunch?
Blanket? No.
No, we're still finding Nemo. Then we started.
Was that before?
I think that was before. We've seen Zootopia, we've seen Lion King. Pretty much done everything in Animal Kingdom today. Welcome back, guys. We are now back on the Skyliner, heading back to Pop. We got the bus from Animal Kingdom Lodge to Hollywood Studios, and then jumped on the Skyliner to get back to Pop. We've had a lovely meal at Boma. It was every dish was delicious. The beef, the ribs, chicken,
Lamb stew,
chowder. We had some corn pudding, some olive mash. It was really good. Desserts were really nice as well. The butterscotch bread and butter pudding
We will be
with
traveling
vanilla
over the
creme
headwaters of the
anglaise, creme anglaise.
The water that flows
Posh
from the
custard.
protected wetlands around Walt Disney World Resort travels
So yeah,
all the way
Animal
to the
Kingdom.
Everglades, the Atlantic
The
Ocean,
kids have started doing
and
their
the Gulf of
Wilderness
Mexico.
Explorer badges, so we'll try and finish them off another day when we go back. Freddie, what was your favourite part of the day?
Was not spend time with family.
Right, what was your favourite ride on the
I have to say like the yellow one. What was it called again?
Everest?
Yeah, Everest.
Yeah, that was your favourite today. Mine was
Did you know that the entire
Flight of
Walt
Passage.
Disney World Resort is over
You like that one,
40
didn't you? When
square
you're
miles?
flying on the back of
That's
an
about the
airplane?
same size as the city of San Francisco
Yeah.
and
Actually,
double
that was
the
my
island
favorite.
of Manhattan.
Thea is currently asleep in a pushchair. She fell asleep whilst on the bus on the way home. Mummy, what was your favourite ride today?
Flight of Passage. It's always a good one.
It is a good one.
Yeah, it's all our favourites.
So we're going home now. We have to do some important things tonight because we have a special surprise for the kids in the morning.
A massive surprise.
Massive surprise.
Huge
Oh,
surprise.
it's massive.
Hmm.
Alright, catch you later, guys.